the San Antonio Riverwalk, one of our most recognized landmarks. The beauty of the river has been appreciated throughout history, beginning with the Native Americans. With a freshwater source nearby, they had an abundance of wild game to hunt in order to survive. Much has changed since those early days. Now the San Antonio Riverwalk has evolved into a place where you can shop, dine, walk, and even enjoy recreational activities, all while basking in the ambience of nature. It's also full of rich history. If you're curious to know more facts, you can take a cruise on a riverboat and learn more history of San Antonio. But don't wait for an out-of-town guest to come down and explore. No matter what your interests are, there's something for everyone at the Riverwalk. This is Giselle Guadron for Bear Witness.